When people first encounter Bedrock Linux, it often feels confusing because it does not behave like a normal Linux distribution. Instead of choosing one system like Ubuntu or Arch, it allows multiple distributions to coexist. This immediately raises a key question about whether you can actually choose and assign different distributions into separate strata. To understand this properly, you first need to understand what a stratum is in Bedrock Linux. A stratum is basically a layer that contains a full Linux distribution environment. Each stratum can be thought of as its own independent system, but all of them are integrated into one unified system. In traditional Linux distributions, you are forced to pick a single ecosystem. That means your package manager, software versions, and system tools are all tied to that one choice. If you choose Debian, you get APT, and if you choose Arch, you get Pacman, and you cannot mix them normally. Bedrock Linux removes this limitation by allowing multiple distributions to be installed as strata. Each stratum keeps its own package manager and system structure. This means you can run Debian, Arch, Fedora, or others together on the same machine. So yes, you can absolutely choose and place the distributions you want into each stratum. That is not just a feature of Bedrock Linux, it is the core idea behind it. You are not limited to one distribution per system anymore. When setting up Bedrock Linux, you start by installing a base system that acts as the foundation. After that, you can add additional distributions as new strata. Each time you add a stratum, you choose which distribution you want it to be. For example, you might install Debian as your base stratum because of its stability. Then you could add Arch Linux as another stratum for access to newer software. You could even add Fedora or Alpine depending on your needs. Each stratum works independently but is still accessible from the same system. You can run commands from one stratum while using tools from another. This creates a flexible environment where different distributions serve different roles. This is where Bedrock becomes very powerful for advanced users. Instead of choosing one distribution and living with its limitations, you combine multiple distributions. Each one contributes its strengths to your overall system. For instance, Debian might handle your core system stability. Arch could provide the latest development tools and applications. Alpine might be used for lightweight utilities and minimal environments. The important thing is that you decide which distribution goes into which stratum. Bedrock does not force a predefined structure on you. You are fully in control of how your system is built. However, this flexibility also requires careful planning. Not all distributions behave the same way, and mixing them can sometimes create complexity. You need to understand how each distribution works before assigning it to a stratum. For example, package conflicts can occur if multiple strata provide similar software. You might have different versions of the same tool installed in different layers. Bedrock allows you to control which version is used, but you must configure it properly. Another important point is that system organization matters a lot in Bedrock Linux. Many users assign specific roles to each stratum. One might be for stability, another for development, and another for experimentation. This structured approach helps avoid confusion. Without it, you might lose track of where certain applications are installed. Good planning makes Bedrock much easier to manage. Even though each stratum is separate, they all share the same kernel and core system environment. This is what allows them to work together seamlessly. You are not running virtual machines, but a tightly integrated system. This integration is what makes Bedrock different from containers or dual boot systems. Everything runs at the same time in one environment. You do not need to reboot or switch sessions to use different distributions. Because of this design, you can mix tools from different distributions easily. You might use a compiler from Fedora while running utilities from Debian. Everything feels like part of one system, even though it comes from different sources. Bedrock also allows you to explicitly choose which stratum provides a command. This gives you control over which version of software is executed. It is a powerful but complex feature. For developers, this is extremely useful because different projects often require different environments. One project might need older libraries while another needs the latest versions. Bedrock allows both to exist side by side. Instead of switching machines or using virtual machines, you simply switch strata context. This saves time and simplifies workflow. It also reduces the need for duplication of systems. However, users must still understand Linux fundamentals. Bedrock does not hide complexity. It exposes it in a more flexible way. This is why it is mostly used by advanced users. If you are not careful, too many strata can make the system messy. You might forget which distribution installed a certain tool. That is why organization is very important. Most experienced users recommend starting with 1 or 2 strata first. Then, you gradually add more as needed. This helps you understand how the system behaves. A common setup might include Debian as the base system. Then Arch is added for newer software, and maybe Fedora for development tools. Each one serves a clear purpose. This way, Bedrock becomes a modular system instead of a confusing mix. Each distribution has a role, and the user remains in control. It becomes a personalized Linux environment. In conclusion, yes, you can choose and put the distributions you want in each stratum in Bedrock Linux. That is not only possible, but expected. It is the foundation of how the entire system is designed. The real power of Bedrock lies in that freedom of choice. You are not limited to one distribution anymore. Instead, you build your own system using multiple distributions together.